he'll go up. They probably, I think during the day they hide underneath that thing. What if I don't get it? Come on.
Mom is a black widow hunting.
Mom, what are you doing? That one didn't move. Oh my God. You guys are so
Nick, you have to.
Now take a picture.
This is the alive one. This is the alive one.
Oh, look how much he moves, Steph.
Oops. And that's the dead one.
Mom, why should I put this curly bug?
Throw it over the fence. Mom, you have to kill the other one.
It's gonna die. See the reverse there. Ooh, look at the guts.
Look at the red.
I know,
so gross.
It's so bright.
Okay.
Oh crap! She missed.
No. It's right there. It's like half dead.
Can I see that flashlight for a second?
Put the light on it!
Nick has it!
Put the light on it.
No, I need it for a second.
1 second. Jesus Christ! Okay, I'm gonna put this on your bed.
Mom's a monster. I'm scared.
Flip and get him. Small. Oh God, it's a June bug. Put the light on it, Nick. Put the light on it.
It's dead!
Put the light on it.
Mom, it's dead!
Ow!
You're yelling too.
Mom, I think it's dead.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is!
I'm pretty sure after the newspaper,
my God,
the
Mom.
wood and the cup,
Mother.
I'm still not convinced.
Okay.
Okay.
Is he alive still, Mother?
I'm convinced he's still alive.
That one was more likely to be alive.
Yay, Mom. Okay. Bye.